I was inspired to start a cosmetics line, quite frankly, by my son, Quincy. Ever since he was a little boy, he would love to wear color and express himself with makeup from his sister's drawer or his mom's drawer. I remember one time when he was in 8th grade, and right by his lunchbox, there was a bunch of nail polish. I asked him one day, I said, "Hey son, what's that for?" And he said, "I'm starting a nail polish club at school." I was really, really pleased to hear that, and we encouraged that entirely. So we really started to talk about where society is, how wonderful it is for men to be expressive, and how they're really taking control of that and trying to shed some of the stigma. So when we looked into it, there wasn't much out there that was really customized for male skin. So with the changes of the tide, with where we are with the social norm, we decided that it's time to come up with our own cosmetics brand. It's just for men.
When we set out to make this for men, we wanted it to be inclusive for all men of any kind, from anywhere. We've done a ton of research on the reasons why men's skin is so different, and we've made sure that all of our products include specialized ingredients to help those issues.
After jawboning back and forth, we both agreed on NuNorm. That truly is a collaboration because I wanted to do something, and Taylor came up with breaking the norm. So we, as we do, combined and came up with the name NuNorm because we truly believe that this will be the new normal for men to enhance not only how we look, but how we feel. And that truly is what we hope is going to be the new norm for men.
As much as we're out to break societal norms, I think our main mission is to bring awareness to an issue that's so hidden. And so we're really looking to use our platform to engage and educate more than just on makeup.
We truly have a long ways to go. And since we are true believers that all the availability of products out there for women should be made available for men in terms of the issues they address, I feel like we have a wonderful opportunity, albeit a long journey, to bring men up to the same level.